I'm giving you an update on our Sumari AutoTrader Robot, Sumari ATR. You can see that the smiley face is showcasing that it is on auto trading. It is executing trades automatically. Right now, I just want to show you our USD on gold. At the range of the Frankfurt session London opened, it started executing trades. As you saw over there, we took some trades up until we got into this one buy that we've been holding since the London Open, and it broke the Asian session high and it shot all the way. It's been riding this trend beautifully. So right now we are trading on the high of this London session, and it's beautiful profits, great precision. The bot bought and it didn't get confused. Every single time the market was retracing, it could see with its AI automation that this is just a retracement. It let the market go up. Another retracement, it let the market go up. Another retracement, it let the market go up. Right now it's busy retracing. It's still holding on this buy. It will hold it until it decides to automatically close it and start selling whenever the market starts to reverse. This is the power of Sumari ATR. This is a beautiful, most powerful bot we've got thus far. Get your hands on this bot and experience its power of automation. Looking at here, as you can see, we have it running on USA 30, US Tech, DE30, AUDNZD, USD CAD, Euro GBP, Euro USD. We've showed on the previous video all the others. Just wanted to zoom in on gold because gold has continued pushing all the way to the top. I will be giving updates on the different instruments as and when on different days it's busy trading. Just stay tuned. Subscribe, comment in the comment section down below. Check the description for the link to our website and get your hands on this Sumari. Give me money, baby. It's time to trade. Little Khaled the Center Tower. Let's go get it.
I got millions and I put my city on top. G.O.D. walking with me, so I'm never gon' flop. Keys to the Lamborghini, got the opposition hating on me. It's okay, I leave them in the dust 6 feet deep. Pocket chicken drown on them. Hit the gym, so you know I'm about to flex on them. Chess game, so I'm coming for the crown on them.